All right, guys, so Daniel with Tiny Rig. We're back, and we're gonna walk you through the Alu-Cab cabin. This is the option that is available for the full-size pickup truck line. Right here we have a Ram 5.5 foot bed. It's also available in the 6.5. We'll put some model years and availability on the screen of the Ford and the Toyota and Chevy options for you guys. We'll start with kind of this customer, will give you a little story on it. They're actually going to use this truck on their honeymoon, and so the rush was to get it on so that after they get married here in a week or so, they're going to take it. They're going to do Grand Canyon. They're going to do Utah, and so this is their honeymoon vessel. Basic build. Essentially, the customer had a budget and asked us to kind of recommend what we thought would fit within that budget, but give them the comfort necessities that they needed. So this one came out to right around $24,000 installed with tax, and in my opinion, they got a lot out of it for what they paid. We'll start with the water tank. So that's a 13-gallon water tank, same water tank that's in the midsize option. However, there's a load bar that is required to mate it with a different size. We also have rear molly plates. Rear molly plates are going to allow you to attach accessories like the propane tank mount. On the back door, we have the GP Factor drop-down table. Again, same as the mid-size, but adapted for the full size. Plenty of room to cook. You can get a dual burner stove up there. Really good option, right? I know a lot of customers are worried about losing that tailgate, but with a table like that, you end up with the same work surface. Coming back around, we have the Alu-Cab Shadow On, 270-degree awning, full-size truck. So this one's pretty far up there. And then electrical in this one. So this one actually has, we'll call it like a custom portable power board. We've got a 116 watt sun flare solar panel up there, just a single one on this. And the solar wires are coming down, and the customer is going to do his own solar controller. He also has a boat, and he's upgraded the electrical on his boat. So he's going to take one of the batteries he used to have in the boat, put it in here, run his solar controller to that battery, and then have that battery provide power to a jackery. So we'll get you a shot up here, but we have a dual Anderson connection output. The top one is going to go to his jackery. The bottom one is going to be that solar connection that he's going to run to the battery. So very, very simple board, but he's going to get a lot of function out of it. On the back of that panel is a blue C fuse block that we've tied all the camper wires in there. No table slide on this one, which would be a good option. It sits really nice with the cab height. As far as suspension upgrades on this truck, it has the factory airbag system, so no upgrades needed. The auto level kicks in and scares us once in a while when we're working on it. But overall, very simple, very practical, but a ton of function and comfort. So if you guys have any interest, as we always say, hit us up. You can ask for Noah, you can ask for George, you can ask for myself, Daniel, Tiffany as well, and we'll help you guys get in one of these campers. Leave a comment if you have questions. We always get back to everyone, and have a great one.